Today I'm bringing you a super easy key to unlocking the vortex using the 369 manifestation technique. Hi, I'm Andrea Roman, your mindset coach and manifestation expert. I'm here to make manifestation as simple as possible for you. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my latest videos. In this video, I've got something that's going to shift your vibration and connect you with the energy of the universe. I'm bringing you Nikola Tesla's 369 divine code, and after you watch this video, you'll know how to use this to allow your desire to flow to you effortlessly. 369 manifestation method is super easy yet incredible powerful method for unlocking the vortex and tapping into the infinite possibilities that are ready to come your way. So let's start. But first, what is the vortex? The concept of the vortex was introduced to us by Abraham Hicks, and the way they explain it, this is a vibrational space of all your desires in unmanifested form. The vortex is the sweet spot where everything just flows. You know, when everything feels right, when you tune in with your desires and things start to line up in your favor. When you're in the vortex, it feels easy and effortless, and you're fully aligned with your highest potential. But if you're feeling out of sync, you're not quite there yet. So to make it short, the main idea is that you must get into the vortex to access all your desires and allow them into your life. Nikola Tesla was fascinated by the patterns in nature and how everything in the universe seemed to follow certain numerical rules. He believes that these numbers were deeply connected to the natural flow of energy and matter. For example, he saw number 3 as a symbol of balance, completeness, and harmony. The number 6 is stability and love, while he considered number 9 to be the number of universal connection and spiritual insight. His idea is simple. When you repeat something in specific patterns, it helps to reinforce your intuition and send that energy out into the universe. And Tesla believed certain numbers could unlock hidden powers. So whether you're a fan of Tesla or just curious about 369 method, you're about to learn about aligning your energy with the things you want to manifest. Think about when you brush your teeth. You don't just brush once and expect your teeth to stay clean forever, right? It's something you do every day because life consistently throws things at you. Food, drinks, plug, and brushing helps you clear it out. Now your mind works the same way. Every day you're exposed to negative thoughts, doubts, and worries. Kinda like mental plug. Repeating affirmations is like brushing your mind clean. It scrubs away the negativity and replaces it with something fresh and positive. And just like with your teeth, consistency is the key. Brushing once might feel good in a moment, but it's the daily habit that keeps everything in check. And over time, those small consistent actions add up to a healthy smile and a healthier mindset. The more often you use it, the cleaner, the brighter, and the more confident your inner world becomes. Why 369? Well, these numbers are powerful. They're associated with the universe and the flow of energy. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of 369, then you would have the key to the universe." These numbers are like keys that unlock the door to your desires. And by writing your affirmations 3 times, 6 times, and 9 times, you're aligning with that energy and vibration. So let's see the steps you need to do for this to work. In fact, there are endless possibilities of combining how you say the affirmations, but for this video, I chose this classical version. Starting with step 1, write your affirmation. And choosing the affirmation is the most important because if you choose the wrong one, then the whole process is doomed. I know that because that's what I did when I tried the 369 technique for the first time 2 years ago. And I chose an affirmation that I wanted to believe, but as it turned out, I didn't. It was things are always working out for me, and I believed it in the past, but at the time when I started the exercise, I had some resistance to it, but I did not address it. I thought it would go away as I start the process. And looking back, I should have done a focus wheel to feel better about it, but I didn't. And after repeating it during the day, the resistance became bigger, so much so that I didn't believe it at all. And it completely backfired because I was not in alignment with it. Start by thinking about something that you want to manifest, that you believe in, and you are in alignment with, and thrills you when you think about it. It can be anything. Maybe it's financial abundance, a new job, or even a deeper connection with yourself. Whatever it is, turn it into a positive affirmation. For example, if you want to attract money, your affirmation might be, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Keep it positive, present tense, and specific. Step 2, repeat it 3 times in the morning. Write your affirmation down 3 times in the morning. This is how you anchor that vibration in your mind at the start of your day. You're setting the tone for everything that follows. When you write it, feel it. Let the excitement and anticipation of your desire flow through you as you write those words. Step 3, repeat it 6 times in the afternoon. Now come back in the afternoon, take a moment, breathe, and again write it down 6 times. Each time you do, feel yourself moving closer to the reality where this affirmation is already true. The more you write it, the stronger the vibration becomes. It's like programming your mind to attract exactly what you want. Step 4. Repeat it 9 times in the evening. In the evening, write it 9 times. The final step solidifies it in your subconscious mind, reinforcing the connection with your desire right before sleep. And here's the magic: when you go to sleep with this affirmation in your mind, you're carrying that energy into your dreams, allowing it to resonate deeply and align you with what you are attracting. Now, the most important thing to remember is that consistency is the key. Manifestation is practicing the vibration of your desire. It's about creating a habit, a frequency, a new way of thinking. The more you repeat your affirmation, the more they become a part of you, and you feel the energy of your desire and align with it effortlessly. So there you have it, the 369 manifestation technique. It's easy, simple, and powerful. It's all about repetition and feeling the energy of your desire as you write. Keep doing this daily, and soon you'll find yourself in the vortex where everything you've been waiting starts to flow into your life. Remember, thoughts become things. Keep your thoughts positive, focused, and aligned with what you want. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. You've got this, and the universe is ready to meet you halfway and hear what you want. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more manifestation tips and techniques. Till next time, bye.